Hello everybody, this is Margaret Yang from CMC Singapore. Today is Friday and we are now at 11 a.m. in the morning Singapore time. Actually, the Asia markets, especially indices, they have been performing very well in the first 2 weeks of this year. As we see that Hong Kong and India, Singapore and Australia, almost all the emerging markets are doing fantastically in the last 2 weeks. If we look at currency wise, US dollar is not that good. We see that dollar index is retracing back from its recent high. Actually, it slumped over 2% to as low as 101.2 last evening and then coming back a little bit. And this selling was following by Donald Trump's first press conference, in which he never mentioned anything about the possible fiscal stimulus or tax cuts or financial institutions deleveraging, which the Wall Street has been looking forward to. So right now, I think the expectations are unwinding, which is shown in this selling of US dollar. And as a result, we look at what happened to dollar yen. All right, doesn't look very good, right? From this chart, I have drawn this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit further. So this point is the recent significant high, and this point is the significant low, and we have all these very nice Fibonacci lines in between. And apparently it is facing some very strong resistance at 119. In fact, it never goes above 118.7. So this resistance remains to be a very strong resistance. And right now it has broken down through this 115.5, another key support level, and it's going down, looks like it's going down further. The next support level is around 112.3 level. As if the US dollar continues to go down further, Japanese yen is going to strengthen a little bit more, and that is going to weigh on the Japanese equities. We see the Nikkei is forming a likely double top here. Can you see this chart is likely forming a double top, and is facing very strong resistance at near close to 20,000 points. And on the other hand, let's have a look at Hang Seng, one of the best performing market in the last 2 weeks. It has went up about 7%, I think, and is challenging the next resistance level at 23,150 points. That is indicated by my Fibonacci extension line, okay, 2315. And another very useful indicator is this super trend. My super trend has recently turned from red into green color. That is meaning the downtrend has finished, and it's likely that we are entering into a fresh bullish trend right now. See very strong momentum, and here seems like Hang Seng is facing a little bit of selling pressure here around 23,000 points, but there's a good chance that it can go above this line in coming weeks. Okay, and another interesting sector is precious metals. Let's look at these three big brothers: gold, silver, and platinum. In fact, gold has rebounded quite a lot, a 7% rebound since end of December, as uncertainty surrounding the new U.S. president is rising, so triggering more demand for safety assets like gold, silver, and platinum. Silver has rebounded too. Okay, see, it's now approaching the upper channel of this downtrend, but although it is still seems like in a downtrend, we will monitor whether or not it can break through above this line. And platinum is doing fantastically as well. Okay, it has break through all these three resistance level, and now it's testing 980. We can keep a close eye on these two. All right, so that's all about today's presentation. We hope that you enjoy trading, and all the best for the next week. Okay.